Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So here I am on my website, Chinese mythology, and I made. You can take a look at this website design, and some friends say, Haiying, you should tell Chinese mythology story. So I make this for myself to understand how I say it. I write the stories in Chinese, so I read it in Chinese as a review of the story, and then I just speak out in English. And I am not really a reading person, so this is how it goes. I put around 15, 16 stories, or maybe 20 stories, or something like it. And first, you can see this is the story name of the story, Pangu, opening up the sky. You can see a picture of it, and then my video, I put it under it. If you are interested, it's mostly for myself as a reference. Here I have done this story. And the second one is 女娲 making human, created human. So this is a 女娲造人 story. You can click on it, and then it goes to my stories. Okay, and the third one is a Fuxi story. I did some voiceover. I collected some of the video footages from my previous travels, or sometimes previous travels, sometimes some pictures. I gathered this information, gathered this video footages as a B-roll to make this. So this is the stories. Number 4 is 共工争霸, fighting for the heavenly dominance. 女娲补天, oh wait, 女娲补天, I should have a video on it. 女娲补天, and now 夸父逐日, I should have a video of it. You get the idea. Each of these has a video and the things. Now I am coming to 10 stories, and I feel there is no communication between myself telling the story and the people listen to the story. So I feel not only less motivated, but it just as if I miss something. I need to hear you. So from now on, I am asking you to feed in, because the very main important stories I have already told, and the rest is because Chinese mythology does not, from my understanding or from a lot of things, have different way of saying it. It's not like there is one book. I follow one book. People are telling it in different way. And the foundation I have already made up. I have already made the video to build up the foundation. The very important. So now I am asking you to fill it in. What do you want to know? You may not tell very exact what you want to know, right? Maybe you do not know the story. But for example, I watch a Chinese movie, 哪吒, and that is a so fun movie. Can you talk a little bit about that movie thing? Then I can talk. Or the other day I went to a Chinese restaurant, and they have one particular dish that I love. So can you talk about it? So maybe I will talk about the story of this dish. 麻婆豆腐 has a story, spicy 豆腐. It's because it was created by a woman who has a spotty face or freckled faced lady, something like it. If you are interested in a particular Chinese story, you heard from someone some story you want to know, write it down, let me know. Or you heard about a person's name, and what is that about? Bring it up. By myself, I am interested in Chinese things, but it's just, you get the idea. I am interested. I don't know whether you are interested. I am interested. I can learn, but I do not necessarily need to speak it out, right? If you can help feeding in something, a movie, a song, a person, a dish, a place, a habit, or an accent, anything, you can think better than me. Yeah, you can think more, something different. Does this make any sense? Thank you very, very. Let me see. This one I need to add in. 伏羲之事故。哦，女娲补天有了 we have it. Yeah, it just take time to load. Yeah, okay, I have all of them. So I need you to fill in. Okay, anything. So this is not only Chinese mythology, Chinese culture, Chinese food, or anything. So that I will expand this, publish it. So, so we can keep on working with it and make it more fun and interesting and more interactive. What do you think? Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Yeah. Bye.